So I got the carb bolted on. I tried starting it a little earlier, but the engine's so cold. I don't know how this machine reacts in cold, even with a brand new good carburetor. So I got it to run. Had to turn the idle screw way up, the idle speed screw. And so now it's to the point where the engine's warm enough to give a fair comparison. Another thing to note is it is like 20 degrees here in my garage. In this machine, I have the airbox lid on, and it has a dirty K&N air filter. So I'm going to turn the key on. No choke, should be somewhat warmed up. See how it does. I'll turn the idle speed up a little. Still not fully warmed up. There you go. But it already idles better than it did. It ran really rich with the stock carb. So I'll try it again. Maybe blip the throttle a little. I'm gonna have to get it all the way warmed up and see if it's the carb or the motor's just not warm or what the deal is. But it's promising. It already seems to run better than it did. So I took it for a test ride. Still seems like it might need some dialing in. I mean, it is cold out here and this thing is beat, so I don't know how good it would run. But it's up to temp. Seems to run pretty good. I did a little hill climb on the snow, and it seemed to sputter a little mid and then full throttle. So I mean, part of that could be because my air filter's dirty, possibly. I'll have to pull the plug out and read it and see what it looks like. And that's always important. If you change any carburetor settings, drive it around a little bit and pull your spark plug in and see what that looks like. So I pulled the airbox lid off and it runs almost perfect. So that's telling me it's rich. So, and it is cold outside, so it's just gonna get worse in the summer. I'm gonna have to either try to do some adjustments or find a different jet or see if the factory jet will screw in. So I'll keep you posted.